one of my last videos, I showed you how to tie a trucker's hitch to secure your kayak or lumber or other heavy loads to the top of your vehicles. And the anchor knot that I used was a fisherman's knot, and I received a lot of responses online that said that I should have actually used a bowline instead, because bowlines are easier to tie and they're easy to untie, especially when they've been under load. So here's how you tie a bowline.
Take the tag end of your loop, loop it over itself to create an overhand loop. Run the tag end up through the loop, around the back of the standing end, and back down through the loop. One more time. Take the tag end of your rope, loop it over itself to create an overhand loop. Then take your tag end, run it up through the loop, around the back of the standing end, and back down through the loop. And this is what that would have looked like if I had used the bowline on the tow anchor of my car. Make an overhand loop, put your tag end up through the loop around the back of the standing end and back down through the loop. You can see it's so strong that when I pull on it, it's actually moving my whole car. And even under that heavy load, it's super easy to untie the knot.
Thanks again to everyone who suggested that I use a bowline instead of a fisherman's knot. If you have any other suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for more. Thanks, see you next time.